Hello everyone. We'll discuss about the study of characteristics of a solar cell by finding open circuit voltage and short circuit current. Here required apparatus are bulb, solar cell, two plug keys, voltmeter, ammeter and resistance box. Let us start the connection. Solar cell, one terminal is connected to the first key K1. From the same terminal it is connected to the resistance box terminal, and next another terminal of the resistance box it is connected to the negative of ammeter. From the positive of ammeter it is connected to the second plug key K2. Second terminal of the plug key it is connected to the positive terminal of voltmeter. From the same terminal another terminal of the solar cell is connected. Negative of voltmeter is connected to the another terminal of the plug key K1. This one is the explanation about connection. Next, here we have to place the solar cell and bulb in such way that the light must fall normally on the solar cell and the distance between these two is kept constant. Next, on the power, and we have to note down the first open circuit voltage V0. For that, plug K1 and plug key K2 is open, so that there is no connection with the resistance and ammeter. In this case, note down the voltmeter reading as V0 and it is called as the open circuit voltage. In this case, key K1 is closed and key K2 is open, and here we have to note down the voltage as V0 and it is called as open circuit voltage V0, and here it is 5.42 volt. Next, plug key 1 is open and close the key K2 and resistance must be 0. Then note down the corresponding current as short circuit current and it is denoted as IS or I0. Okay, in this case it is 0.069 ampere. Next, close both the keys and adjust the value of resistance RS in such way that we obtain the value of voltage near to the V0. Okay, here it is 4.69. Then increase the RS value in equal intervals. Then note down the corresponding voltage and current reading. Okay, here we have to note down the voltage and current reading with respect to RS. Okay, take up to 20 readings and tabulate this one. From this one, here calculate power, that is P is equal to V into I in milliwatt. Here we have to note down the current in milliampere. Next, plot the graph of voltage versus I. Plot the graph of voltage versus I. This one is the nature of the graph. Here the maximum value, this represents the V0 value and this represents the I0 value. Next, note down the V0 value in volts. From this one, calculate the value of Vm, that is Vm is equal to 0.707 into V0. Okay, from this one, and note down the value of Em, and from the graph calculate corresponding Im value. Okay, from here, from the graph we obtain the value of V0, I0 as well as Vm and Im. Next, From the graph, here calculate the ideal power of the cell. Ideal power of the cell, it is nothing but the product of V naught and Is. V naught into Is or I naught. It represents the ideal power of the cell, which is one of the characteristics of the solar cell. And similarly, from the graph, we can calculate useful power of the cell, that is equal to Vm into Im. Okay. Next, it is also in milliwatt. From these two quantities, we can calculate the fill factor, that is fill factor equal to useful power divided by ideal power, that is equal to Vm into Im divided by V naught into I naught. This one is the solar characteristics.